आपके डेवलपमेंट के आजू बाजू होने का इम्पैक्ट ऑन द प्राइस इज ट्रिमेंडस. Here we have a 5-star hotel within our development. So you can imagine once the hotel is live, operational, what kind of impact it will give to your customers on their investment. Next. Gentry, I think we have, matlab, who's who of India who has bought with us. Every customer who has bought with us is someone who has arrived in life, someone who is an achiever, someone who is a known name in his city. Such kind of people have managed to buy with us in Ayodhya, and of course, Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji being the first citizen for us of our development in Ayodhya. I think river front India में थोड़ा लेक फ्रंट होना, दुनिया में कहीं भी लेक फ्रंट प्रॉपर्टी, रिवर फ्रंट प्रॉपर्टी, सी फ्रंट प्रॉपर्टी, any property that is right in front of any form of water body, it always attracts premium because it will always have better demand than any other development in that locality, same which doesn't have, which is not in front of the water body. We are blessed to have our development right in front of the Sarayu, the holy Sarayu river, in a spiritual zone. Extremely important. The defining parameter for the price is its proximity of the location to the Ram Mandir. We are just 14-15 minutes away from the Ram Mandir. इसके अलावा we spoke about, I think, access. We spoke about the development being right on the 4-lane highway, about 2-3 minutes from NS27, about 20-25 minutes from the airport. So how easy it is for someone to basically travel within Ayodhya with multiple modes of transport. Next. एक तो हमारे अलावा और कोई है नहीं वहाँ पे जहाँ पे जो लैंड ले पाए. वी आर दी ओनली वंस. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वी एडेड which makes it really a rare opportunity for a customer to own. उसका प्राइस तो यार मुझे लगता है हमको जो मांगना चाहिए वो मांगना प्राइस हमको मिलना चाहिए. जो मन में आए वो हमको प्राइस मांगना चाहिए, because we are making something very special out there. But I'll quickly tell you what is the price for the next 15,000.
हम नॉर्मली 1248 का रेट बताते हैं ना.
1248 का बताते हैं. 1248 square feet. We just finished that launch yesterday, and we were waiting for this event for where all our channel partners will come together so that we can launch the most sought after unit size, which is 15,000 square feet, 07 square feet. This is the unit which is bought by almost 55 to 60% of our clients. So this is high-end demand unit which we had reserved for our CP Meet, and hence we are launching it today at an all-inclusive price of 2.29 crores.
Like Ranjit said, थोड़ा सा मार्केट रिसर्च आपके लिए भी. पिछले एक साल में हमने जितने भी यूनिट्स बेचे हैं 55-60% 1500 या उससे बड़े साइज़ के ही बेचे हैं. बिकॉज यू सी वैल्यू इन दिस. यहाँ पे विला बनाना लोगों को ज़्यादा आसान लगता है. सो वी हैव 1507 स्क्वायर फीट एट 2.29 crores ऑल इंक्लूसिव. इसके अलावा हमने सोचा कि आपको थोड़ी सी और जानकारी दी जाए कि किस टाइप के कस्टमर्स यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, ताकि आप भी उन्हें बेटर टारगेट कर सकें. अब तक तो आपको पता चल गया होगा, मोर देन 80% ऑफ आवर जेंट्री इज UHNIs, HNIs फ्रॉम ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री, नॉट जस्ट कंट्री, द वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली. 17% NRI बायर्स हैं. विद इन इंडिया ऑल्सो मोर देन 28 सिटीज़ जहाँ से हमारे कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं. ये बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज में CXOs, प्रमोटर्स हैं. लेकिन कुछ तो कमी लग रही है.
क्या?
चलो पहले इनको सुन लेते हैं, फिर बताते हैं कि इस कमी को हम पूरा कैसे कर रहे हैं।
My name is Geeta Moza.
My name is Venkman Lee Moga.
I am Swati. I am from Jharkhand, Ranchi.
I am Sanjay Kumar. I basically belong to UP, Uttar Pradesh.
I was very close to Ram Lala's birthplace. So that's how I never want to leave this project, you know.
So one Sunday I was simply going to the river. I simply put some SMS, whatever was link or view, and some marketing activities. I think Shubham was there. Shubham was there. He called me and he said, "Say, look, no issue. You just join us and see our marketing presentation. If you feel it's okay, you can commit or you don't commit. First, I will suggest only just go through that."
It was an emotional purchase rather than an investment purchase. But the moment you purchase an emotional purchase, you are again looking at what kind of an investment you are doing, but it's a huge kind of money.